So guys, let me just show you quickly how to get rid of this mirror wobble, because I just read in a forum about it and fixed the other side. I'm going to show you how to stop that from wobbling. It is so easy. All you need is a little flathead screwdriver and a T15 Torx. You go underneath here. This cap comes off. You just go in here, carefully pry this off. Try to stick your screwdriver a little further in, slide it in, because there's just two tabs and this one tab is fairly long, so you don't just want to scrape the front here, but you go all the way in. And now that is off, you look inside here and you see 4 T15 screws. You just tighten those and that is it. And after tightening, there's no more wobble. They're not incredibly loose, just like a tiny bit, like an eighth of a turn maybe. And now that doesn't wobble anymore. So that's how you stop your mirrors from wobbling around on the E53 X5.